Fortnite Trash and Among Us. It's good. What's up, guys? Back into a video. We are eating right now.
So there's two people who accused me of being the imposter because they said, I saw you kill. They voted me out, wasn't the imposter. And they was the imposter. I was like, this is why I hate people that vote me out.
So they saw me vent from electrical to security, right? Which means that which means you have to watch me vent in security and then vent out in electrical, right? Called an emergency meeting, accused me, and I was like, I wasn't even in electrical. Got voted out, and they was like, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. First of all, what you mean if you're wrong, you're sorry? Which means you're not sure, even though you just said you were so sure that you saw me vent. I wasn't the imposter, of course.
That looks like a telephone. Guys, hold up. Back. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Peace out, bully bop, bully luck.